You know, nursing, it's often said, is the backbone of our healthcare system. And across Northeast Ohio, nursing schools are preparing the next generation of transformation of medical professionals.
And tonight, senior health correspondent Monica Robbins reports on a unique relationship between the University of Akron and a home providing invaluable lessons in comfort and compassion.
This is Grace House, open since September and serving up to 6 residents at a time, thoughtfully constructed down to the smallest detail, with feelings of peace and serenity in mind.
The word grace means a gift, and we wanted it to be a gift to the community, from the community, and to our residents. And it really, really has worked out that way.
Grace House is for the terminally ill who do not have access to a caregiver or means to afford one. Often, they also have no support system. But in this comfort care home, they are nurtured, enriched, and engaged with the belief that dying shouldn't be a barrier to living.
Just because they may be in their last days doesn't mean that they don't wake up thinking they want to do something today or want to eat a certain food.
Stephanie Impegliosa will graduate from the University of Akron School of Nursing later this year. She is one of 2 students on rotation here, part of the school's community partnership, with Grace House providing a classroom where the lessons are profound.
And we just want them to focus on being present. So sitting with our patients and talking with our residents about their life or life experiences. It's important just to be present and to help them feel wanted and loved, because some of our residents' biggest fears is that nobody is going to remember them.
On this day, Impegliosa prepares a surprise for a resident with dreams of travel.
I'm in the process of making a little virtual trip to Paris for her, and we're going to hook it up in her room and take her through the different sites and bakeries and things like that in Paris, so she can kind of feel like she went to Paris today.
Death remains hard, but Impegliosa is thankful she sees it differently. This is the class that will serve her throughout her career.
Because a big part of nursing is your interaction with patients and learning how to be empathetic.
For the gift of grace is present here for all who call it home.
Because really at the end of the day, that's our goal here, to accept people for who they are, meet them where they are, and just to provide that compassion.
Monica Robbins, 3 News.
Monica, thank you. Individuals enter Grace House through referrals from family, social workers, hospice, and hospital systems. And as we mentioned, all care to residents is free. Wow. I know, it's incredible, right?
And we are at a time where nurses are so needed,
Yes.
medical professionals are so needed, and they've already been through so much with COVID, and they have been exhausted. And we just can't forget how healing it is to be seen and to be heard. And I love the fact that she took her on a visit to Paris.
Yeah.
It was so creative.
That's the best part. It's too, you know, the families and those that need the hospice care in the first place. They're the ones who I feel like truly, this is amazing for them. I can't say that enough. It makes me a little bit emotional just because I know a couple of folks that are experiencing the same thing right now. And Grace House, just kudos to you for what they're doing.
Yeah.
for
It
both
takes a
of them.
very special group of people to
takes
do
a
that.
special group.
And the fact that we have special people like you in this community, I'm talking to all the nurses, all the healthcare heroes, we appreciate you, so thank you.